All right, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is JD on 3, and I'm back with another. So as you see, I've got a box. I've already opened it. It's gonna be a quick unboxing, and then we got the install coming up. So you guys stay tuned. Let's go ahead. Let's get into this. All right, so as you see, we got the box. It's already open, and you see we've got this belt. So let's go ahead and let's get everything out and see what's really going on. So I am really excited and also dreading this install. It is one that I've put off for some time. I really just did not feel like doing it. And what you see here is the new CVT belt, and I also have the spark plugs. And so again, I just don't feel like clamshelling the bike and actually taking the time to do this. However, it is going to be a fortune in cost to take this thing to the dealer, to have them do it, plus the downtime it takes, plus the hassle it takes to either tow the bike and or ride the bike on a day that I'm off, take it up there, and then catch a ride back, then catch a ride up. It's just a lot of hassle dealing with that. So, of course, I'm going to suck it up and I'm going to do it myself. So let's kind of dive deeper into this thing. So I bought a bundle. Basically, you get the belt, the spark plugs, and I'm sorry, my camera's doing things. So I've got the Ryker CVT belt. I've got the spark plugs. You can see the years, 19 to 24. I have a 21, so it covers that. 600, 900 rally sport, 12,000 mile maintenance. I'm roughly around 14,000 miles, so I'm way overdue. And yes, I've got the belt changing tool because I plan on using it more than just the one time. So make sure I got it. Dyno Jet, and I just wanted to make sure I pointed this out for you guys. Bill at BLR Tuning. I've talked to him a couple times here on Facebook and whatnot. He has done the tune on the Ryker, and I cannot find my thing. Here it is. So I ordered the tune. I've got the Dyno Jet tuner. So I've got the custom tune, all that good stuff from Bill. He's great. He did an awesome job on the tune. So then, of course, I went on ahead and bought these products from his shop, and he got them out to me really, really quick. So shout out to Bill. And I know Bill has a actual install video on this as well, but I'm gonna do my own and get it installed. But right now, I'm just showing you everything. And another thing as well, what I really liked about his shop, I don't know if everybody else does this, but at least for the spark plugs, I have a 900, so you need 3 spark plugs. They're already, if I can find it on here, it says regapped and inspected by BLR Tuning. So these are ready to go. So you don't have to gap them or anything like that. They've already been gapped. You get instructions with everything. You get instructions here. You get some extra decals and stuff like that. So it's really cool. Really nice kit. Really nice package. Really excited to get this going, but I'm also dreading it at the same time. Anyways, you guys, if there's anything that I haven't gone over as far as this unboxing, please comment below. I think the biggest thing about this is, why am I changing the belt for other unobvious reasons of it's time to change it. So I'm changing the belt because I'm at about 14,000 miles, and it's supposed to do the maintenance somewhere around 12,000 miles. During the time I hit the 12,000 miles, it was mid-Ryker season, and your boy was not about to give up my Ryker season, 3 months of downtime, just so the dealer could charge me $1,000 to do this. So I waited until, of course, winter, and here we are starting to kind of warm up. It's February right now. It's 70 degrees outside right now, by the way. Take a look, it's gorgeous. Just another gorgeous day. 70 degrees outside right now. So Ryker season is slowly but surely creeping back around the corner, and I wanted to have this behind me. So what I have been experiencing is when I go to throttle. So I don't know if you guys have ever felt this, somewhere around 10,000 miles, 8,000 miles, depending on how you ride your ride. I noticed I started throttling, and when I throttled, it just kind of felt like something was slipping. It felt like I wasn't getting any power, at that throttle increment that I was going, until I really throttled down. Everything seemed to catch up, and I was going. Could it be it's time to change the belt? That is what I'm suspecting. I'm suspecting that it's worn out. What I'm hearing and what I'm seeing is that you will wear out around these edges. It's not the teeth that will wear out, but it's more so around these edges, and you're not getting that grip that you need as you start to throttle within in your CVT transmission there. So with all that being said, I said screw it, 14,000 miles in, let's go ahead and change it. And while we're up in there, while we're in the clam, we'll go ahead and do the spark plug. So got all that good stuff ready to go. So you guys just make sure you stay tuned. I got more stuff coming. Ryker Fam, you already know what to do. This is JD on 3, and if you don't know, now you know, and it is always an official JD's production. Let's go.